Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Our today's topic is high, higher, and highest. Listen carefully. High describes far distance above the ground. When comparing two objects and the vertical standing point, we say it is higher. Among several objects, the highest object reaches more above or farther above the ground than the all. As you can see in the picture, the flag is high above the ground and the bird is higher than the flag and the aeroplane is highest than all. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.